Hello friends. Regarding Texas flood, I mentioned that we human beings had company that are unseen. They have certain abilities such as causing sudden floods, earthquakes, tsunami, and so on. So they diverted people's attention from this message. This is why barely 1 week passed and the topic of the flood changed to the topic of Epstein files. While more than 100 people perished in the flood, many among them were children, people still searching for bodies. And the national topic was Epstein files. And strangely, it was all about President Donald Trump. If it was a true cry for truth and justice, if it was a sincere cry for truth and justice, then it would have been about the girl, Virginia Giuffre. What really happened to her? She was taken far away from her family, friends, her community, and she was hurt and abused. She was married to a man whose last name was Giuffre, and her first abuser, his name was Giuffre. Is this a coincidence? No, there is no such thing as called coincidence. They do exist and they are very active. They know about us, but we don't know about them. This is why there is no safety anywhere, whether by the river Kerrville, Texas, or in a dorm in Utah, or in the house of Melissa and Mark Hortman. If we don't know who really hurt us, if we don't know who our true enemies are, we will never be safe. Hope this message benefits you. Thank you. God bless you. God bless America.